Understanding birthday cake wishes. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very special and heartwarming phrase, birthday cake wishes. This phrase embodies celebration, hope, and the magic of birthdays. Let's dive into its meaning, usage, and the culture behind making wishes on your birthday cake. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Birthday cake wishes refers to the tradition of making a wish before blowing out the candles on a birthday cake. It is believed that if you blow out all the candles in one breath, your wish will come true. This tradition is a significant part of birthday celebrations in many cultures around the world. It combines the joy of birthdays with a moment of personal hope or desire. This tradition has a magical and somewhat mystical origin. It dates back to ancient times when it was believed that the smoke from the candles carried one's wishes and prayers to the gods or the heavens. Today, it serves as a symbolic gesture of marking another year of life with hope and aspirations for the future. It's a moment of reflection and personal significance, surrounded by loved ones. Making a birthday cake wish involves a few simple steps. 1. Light the candles on the birthday cake. Each candle can represent a year of the celebrant's life. 2. Make a wish silently to yourself. This wish is kept secret and not shared with others, adding to the belief that it's more likely to come true. 3. Blow out the candles in one breath if possible. Success in blowing out all the candles at once is often cheered and celebrated by those present. Across different cultures, birthday wishes hold various meanings and are celebrated in unique ways. However, the core idea remains the same: to wish for something good for oneself or for others. This practice emphasizes the importance of hope, dreams, and the celebration of life. It's a universal moment that connects us all, regardless of language or background. Birthday cake wishes is more than just a tradition. It's a symbolic act of hope, a celebration of life, and a cherished moment of personal reflection. We hope this video has illuminated the beauty and significance behind this beloved practice. May all your birthday wishes come true, and may you find joy in the simple pleasures of life. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.